Hey everybody, this is Stephanie, and I'm going to show you a product called FryAway. This product is used to make that vegetable oil grease get hard. So as you see, I'm frying some fish right now. That is it. That's the FryAway I wanted to show you that I'm going to be using. I'm also frying some shrimp here. Same oil. So you see that oil is nice and hot and it's used. And what are we going to do? We can't throw this down the drain. That's not going to work. So let's see what FryAway is going to do. All right, everything is out. That oil is hot, and that's the package of FryAway. So you just open it up and you put it in the hot grease right there. You stir it in to make sure it's all in there, and then you wait for it to cool down, and then we'll see what happens. But that's what it looks like. Looks like those little flakes inside, and you just sprinkle it in, and then you make sure that you stir it in also. That's hot grease now. And remember, vegetable oil does not get hard. It does not get hard. You have to dispose of it somehow. And if you do, and when you do, it will be loose like that, unless you use something like this. We stirred it in nicely. All is in good. Now we're waiting. So what we're doing is looking at that. Look at that. It's solid. It's solid. And I'm going to get something to prove that it's solid. There it goes. It's completely solid. Vegetable oil doesn't do that. That stuff works. And there